Pwede, diba? Just say the line na lang, diretso. Hindi na?
Nakahigas na tapos.
Ano yung sa'yo? Sana tayo na lang? Sana nakahug kayo. The sweetest hug na kayo. Oo, sana tayo na lang eh.
Sila. Parang kunwari mag-best friend, dapat kayo yung sana tayo.
Ano yan? Hindi nga, Han?
Sige, okay lang.
Hindi, hug.
Okay lang.
Pinaka-sweet yung mga ganyan.
Oo, para mabenta tayo, di ba? Okay na yun.
Sanang roses.
Ilagay mo sa gitna. Tama yun, yung kamay mo. Yung kamay mo.
Kamay, hug. Yun. Tapos, parang M yun na sila.
Tinginan mo kayo.
Out of the frame mo muna yun, tapos you take it out and then say, sana tayo na lang.
Okay, dogs.
Paano mo siya hawakan? Baliktad ata. Sige nga, paano mo siya hawakan?
Paano naman?
Pang! Like you hide it here daw. Pang! Niyap.
Ayusin mo na kung paa mo, idikit mo.
Paano?
Close mo, ganyan.
Oo, tama.
Yan. Okay.
Hindi naman ako makahiga.
Ayan.
Teka.
Okay.
Paano?
Yung tinginan lang kayo.
Kevin, go up a bit.
Hi! Tapos, it's wobbly.
Magtinginan lang kayo,
Ay.
Magtinginan kayo.
When I say action, you do the thing, and then after sana tayo na lang, you look at the camera.
Magtinginan lang kayo,
5, 4, 3, 2.
Sige na, paa mo.
5, 4, 3, 2, action.
Tingin.
Sana tayo na lang.
Kevin, dalawa, uy.
Okay na sana yun eh. Oo. Sabihin niya na sana tayo na lang, tapos pagkatapos niyang di ba, titingin ka sa kanya. Pagkatapos niyang bitawan yun, pag sabay kayo lilingon dito.
And take the flowers.
Bayan. 5, 4, 3, 2, action. Sana tayo na lang. It's actually like it. Well, I think one more. Now, pag bigay mo, diretso. Don't pause, don't do anything, just sana tayo na lang.
Saka the moment pa mo na ginanon sa'yo, tanggapin mo agad.
Alright.
Tanggap agad?
Oo. Okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, action. Sana tayo na lang.
Is it awkward?
It's may parang
May kulang.
kulang sa sweet. Sa sweetness.
Now, you look at each other, come on.
And don't say it as if it's cool. Like say it, sana tayo na lang. Okay. Diba? Oo.
Yung normal nyo, yun
Yung kulitan.
Hindi
Like,
kailangan
sana tayo na lang. It's too serious. Ay.
Napupuwing ako eh.
5, 4, 3, 2, action. Sana tayo na lang. Or ba?
You're still really serious.
Oo.
Sana tayo na lang.
Sweet.
Oo.
Ay, how so?
Sana tayo na lang.
Sana tayo na lang. Something like that.
Go.
Ayun.
Iba na talaga si Paris later.
Sweet. Like, laugh, smile.
My ganyan.
You guys don't even need to act. Just be yourselves. Kung paano kayo on a normal day. Tsaka wag ganyan.
Oo nga, hindi naman tayo ganyan.
Barkada. Hindi. Dapat pa ganon.
Barkada naman kami.
Yeah, okay lang. Hindi.
What do you miss for this?
It's okay if I feel like that. You wanna do it? Woo! Ready? Is that weird? Is it like that? Like this. Slower. Kumapo ka kaya. Ito. Okay, ready? Set. Sweet guys. Laugh it off. Go.
Sana tayo na lang. Sorry.
Oh,
Sorry.
don't cover your face with flowers. Oh, my. Do that. That was better. Judy, corny, come on. You've seen cheesy movies. This is what we're trying to accomplish.
Cheesy.
Yan.
Yun.
Yan.
Okay.
Last one lang. Okay. Ready, set, go.
Sana tayo na lang.
Paano ba ulit?
Smile.
Ulit, ulit.
Ready? That was better. That was better. That was better. Ready, set, go.
Sana tayo na lang.
That's okay. Better.
Pag sinabi na lang na sana tayo na lang, ipot niyo yung heads niya together.
Oh, pwede.
Pwede.
Instead of that way, I mean go this way too. Diba?
Okay. Again. Para hindi awkward. Go.
Ready?
And then kiss. What?
Ready? Set. Go.
Sana tayo na lang.
Almost!
Ano nangyari?
Okay. Almost.
Okay,
One
okay.
last.
Again.
One last.
Yeah, that's good.
Saka don't forget the ano. Pangit pag nakaganyan ka.
Oo.
Yan. There.
Why don't you put the...
Go. Last na. Go.
Ready? Set. Go.
Sana tayo na lang.
Better?
Pwede na yan.
Much better.
That was good.
Pwede.
Thank you. Bye
Plastic
lahat.